Hello and welcome back to the Keishu Shindo channel. Today we're going to be going over some key movements that are going to tone up your lower abdominals. Of course, as a martial artist, you'll know that this is important because when you're doing a lot of your kicks or movements, you're going to need your lower abdominals to execute many of the forms and techniques used in the techniques that you're doing. Now, one quick thing before we get into this is the use of apple cider vinegar. This is going to have many benefits. This is going to neutralize your blood acidity level. It's going to help you create an alkaline body. One great thing about this is that cancer does not grow in an alkaline environment. It's just simply the cancer cells do not replicate when it's in an alkaline environment. So please take 1 tablespoon in the morning with a cup of water and 1 tablespoon in the evening with a cup of water before you go to bed, before you brush your teeth. Now, also try to minimize the amount of carbs that you're ingesting to further increase the benefit of consuming less calories per day, and also limiting the amount of acid that your body is creating through the consumption of certain foods. Try to stay away from too much rice, try to stay away from too much bread, eggs, soy, grains, meats, cheeses, sugars, sodas. All of these things are going to increase your blood acidity level. Although I do say if you are going to choose a meat, go ahead and grab a nice boneless, skinless chicken breast fillet, and this is going to have a very low amount of calories, and it's a virtually pure protein with no greases or oils. And you can season it very nice with salt and pepper, garlic, onions, and it will come out with a wonderful taste. Now for some of these movements, we're going to be doing some leg lifts. Leg lifts is going to increase your hip area. If you're kicking, the hip movement here is going to be strengthened through the leg lifts. And what we're going to do is lay back. You can support your bottom by inserting your hands and wrists under them slightly. So you're going to lift up, make sure you have straight legs so you can go up, down without letting your feet actually touch the floor. Open, close, scissor, and then around to each side. Up, down, open, close, scissor, and then each side. Okay, you can also do side bends, side bend rolls. These are going to help the toning on your abdominals. Plus you can do inside knee raises. Now, a lot of the movement involved in the lower abdominals is going to help. So if you're doing hip rotations, if you're standing up and you're doing bends, if you're doing side to side movements, always make sure to remember, keep your top and lower abdominals flexed for maximum isolation and toning purposes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.